He's looking at you. Well, he's looking at the umbrella. We try to catch the attention of the Shoebill since he don't like to move at all. It's the statue bird, and we were trying to catch his attention. What? Well, the chicken, yes, but the Shoebill, he's like the statue of the birds. Don't want to move at all. Nothing surprised him. He just standing there and no movement at all. And maybe he needs a girlfriend. Oh, boyfriend. Oh. He turned around this way. What?
What'd you call me?
So I don't need any of those. See how he took his face. I wish I could bring his wing.
Oh, that's fine.
Jimmy, I'm flying. No, he's not interested in flying. No, because when I thought he's going to be more active today. No.